What's going on, guys? Exciting day today. Finally, I got the call that my brand new 2023 Gen 5 850 Renegade XRS is in. So the folks at Team Vincent Motorsports, I was actually there last week just hanging out, and the sled arrived. So we have an awesome video planned for today. We are heading over to Team Vincent, and similar to kind of what we did last year with the mock video, we're gonna basically be building up this 850. So we're doing a showroom build where we're gonna unbox the sled, and hopefully they'll let me, if I'm lucky enough, I'll get to work with Ryan, and we'll see if we can build this thing from the ground up in the actual showroom, get it PDI'd, and really give you guys a bit of a behind the scenes look as to what goes on at the dealers. I mean, if you think about it, they've got like 180 sleds to build, which is pretty crazy. So, you know, it takes some time to get through the build, but, you know, hopefully we'll be able to give you guys the behind the scenes look this year so you can see exactly what's involved. I'm pretty pumped. I'm really excited. It's definitely a really cool looking sled. And I actually haven't seen one yet. I think this is the first silver one at the dealership that's gonna get built. So, you know, it's pretty exciting, and we'll see you guys when we get there. All right, guys, welcome to the showroom here at Team Vincent Motorsports. I'm just getting ready to build out our brand new Gen 5 850 XRS Renegade. Super stoked. I'm here with Ryan, who's one of the BRP techs here, and we're gonna basically give you guys a full in-view video on what it takes to actually build these things from the ground up when they're coming in on the crates. If you can imagine, they got to do 180 of these things. It takes a little bit of time. So you guys will get a bit of a behind the scenes look, and we'll let's go and build this thing. So Ryan's been nice enough to actually let me get involved and actually build it with him this year. It's pretty cool. These are really expensive, so don't drop them. All right, so we're just getting ready to hook the sled up into buds. Ryan, you want to explain a little bit about what we're actually going to be doing?
So right now what we're going to be doing is hooking up buds to, which is the program to program these things. We're going to be setting your name into it, kilometers clock, going through making sure everything's set up properly. And then what we're going to do is going to calibrate the smart shocks themselves, just to make sure that they're activated and actually performing the way that they should.
Perfect. pretty cool. So you guys will see a little bit behind the scenes, just as what's involved with some of the PDI work that essentially happens for every sled that goes out the door. All right, so we're just getting ready to program right now the
So
smart
as
shocks.
you can see, everything moving there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So now click learn on rear central.
Yep, and you'll see that turn green.
Yep. And
Okay.
then on rear.
Yep.
Done.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the front. We'll do the same thing on the front too.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, so we're clicking learn on front left and learn on front right,
Yep.
and we're good.
Okay. Now we're gonna center your steering.
Okay. That's amazing. It's like super precise.
Okay. And now we're just gonna learn your steering.
Awesome.
So all that's learned, everything's going to calibrate to where it needs to be, and everything's going to monitor with everything being set to 0.
Cool. Are we going to fire it up?
Yeah, we can fire it up.
Take it outside, do a wheelie.
There's a little bit of snow over there.
Checking for anything specifically?
Mainly
on
just
first start,
checking your RPM, making sure that it's actually running smooth and where it should be. It's not too high, not too low.
Okay.
And then just double checking all your controls, making sure high beams, low beams, all your controls kind of work right. Cool. So we'll just kind of go through your gauge functions, make sure that everything's kind of working the way it should. All right, we'll set that to Sport Plus. That's good and hard.
That's on soft. That's Sport Plus. It's crazy. All right, guys, that concludes the build for my brand new 23 850 XRS Renegade. I'm absolutely stoked to try this thing out. It looks amazing. We're going to be running it up in Cochrane this weekend, so hopefully we'll get to put a few miles on it just to do break-in. But man, this thing is awesome.
Maybe it's the wrong source. Maybe yours isn't even here yet, Mike.
Shut the mic off when I went back because I'm like, guaranteed those guys are going to start talking to me about things. Shut it off. I'm like, walk backwards. This and this and this, and I'm like, oh, good thing I shut the mic off.
All right, guys, that concludes the build of my brand new 23 850 XRS Renegade Gen 5. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. No, that's not what I'm saying at all.
If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiling. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.